In my Infosys system engineer interview, sir just said go outside. Let me tell you how my Infosys system engineer interview went. So today I want to share my real experience because it may help someone who is preparing for interviews. Honestly, before the interview, I was nervous like every student. I prepared technical questions, HR questions, and especially my self-introduction because usually every interview starts with, "Tell me about yourself." When my turn came, I entered the room and politely asked, "May I come in, sir?" He said, "Yeah, come." I went inside, but I was still standing there. Then sir smiled and said, "Sit ma." I replied, "Yes sir, thank you." Everything was normal till then. But suddenly something unexpected happened. Sir looked at me and said, "Yeah, just go outside." For 1 second I got completely confused. I didn't understand why he was saying that. Then again he said, "You have a lot of time. Go outside, prepare fully, and come again. I will conduct your interview again." Then he added one more thing. "You are not confident. I can see there is no confidence in you." Honestly, that moment was very important for me. Many people may become nervous or lose confidence there itself. But I just smiled and respectfully replied, "Thank you for that, sir, but I am comfortable and confident only, sir." After that, the interview started normally. He asked me questions like, self-introduction, where do you see yourself in the next 5 years? Some technical questions based on my resume and projects. The interview was not about answering every question perfectly. I understood that interviewers also observe our behavior, confidence, communication, and presence of mind. At the end, sir asked, "Do you have any questions for me?" Most students usually say, "No sir." But I asked, "What technologies should we learn for this role, sir?" Then sir replied, "They will teach you. No need to worry about that." Finally, he said, "Okay, you can leave now." Again I smiled and said, "Thank you sir." From this experience, I learned one important lesson. Confidence does not mean speaking fast or showing attitude. Real confidence means staying calm, respectful, and believing in yourself even during uncomfortable situations. So for everyone preparing for interviews, don't panic if something unexpected happens. Don't think interviewers are there to scare you. Sometimes they test your confidence, patience, and mindset more than your technical skills. Prepare well, believe in yourself, stay genuine, and answer with confidence.